We looked at our employee base, we looked at where our folks were who were potentially going to be retiring. We looked at the workforce coming out of COVID and said, how are we going to get all the packaging done that we need to on a daily basis with the available employee base out there? The answer came pretty quickly that we wanted to continue to add more automation to our plant. One of the things that we liked about the Fanuc robot that MMCI brought to the table was we had a very specific size constraint where we could put the robot. The team was able to design a solution that fit that space and was able to meet our deliverables for speed, for safety, and reliability. So by having those met, we were very confident in the ability for the new robot to work. We still have many skilled employees that run the automation in our facility. It's just changing their skill set and asking them to do different things. We want consistent production. I want production going all the time. So if my employees are focused on hearing and seeing what's happening, kind of the bigger picture, versus grabbing a bag and putting it on a pallet, they can actually keep production going longer. So we're getting more production than we were previously, and I've got employees who are more engaged.